I'm here at the Arlon booth at ISA, standing in front of this beautiful car. I'm here with Michelle from Arlon. I want to talk to you today, Michelle, about the SLX Plus, but also the PCC. We've got this custom color, and we've already talked a lot about the Legacy Motor Group and that partnership. So talk to me a little bit about SLX Plus. I mean, the car's wrapped in SLX Plus, other than the custom. We'll get to that. But talk to me about SLX Plus and what a customer who's looking to wrap cars, give me the spiel. What is SLX Plus?
I mean, it's your fast, quick install that wets out within 24 hours. It has flight technology, which allows you to be able to pick up and reposition the material multiple times, creating an ease of install. And that's what every installer's dream is, to be able to install faster and quicker. Just like NASCAR, everything's got to get done super quick, so it works perfect for them.
So you come into pit lane, get the tires changed, get a new wrap put on the car, you're right back on the track, or?
That's actually something that they've trained, that's what our NASCAR certification program is about, is teaching people to install quick, because there are those incidents where a piece of their car flies off and they have to wrap it on the fly and put that new piece on the car. So our material works great for that in that sense.
Sometimes you make a joke thinking there's no way, and then my mind is blown. So the SLX Plus is kind of the top tier, right?
Yes.
Now, how does it stack up to PCC? And talk a little bit about this custom color, but also just the premium color change in general.
The coolest thing about PCC is that it has flight technology in it, which SLX Plus has. And flight technology just allows you to take the film and slide it over the vehicle, and it doesn't activate until pressure, heat, and time. Once you apply pressure, a little bit of heat, and it's grand. So for the PCC, the color change, it works the same as our commercial vehicle does, which allows the fast, quick ease of install. Same as SLX Plus.
So is there anything about either SLX Plus or PCC that you wish more customers, more shops that are printing vehicle graphics, that you wish they knew about this product?
What most people, I'm used to install 3M and Avery. I've installed multiple brands, and I've never had the ability to be able to pick up and put back down the materials or make mistakes and have glue lines be left behind. None of that happens when I'm using PCC or SLX Plus, and I don't think most people understand that our adhesive technology is so nano microscopic, is that you can't see it with the naked eye, so therefore there is no glue lines to see. When you're wrapping color change, it's very important that you don't see any sort of glue line, and it gives you that pristine gold finish that you like, or any of our other colors. And I don't think enough people realize that flight technology makes or breaks what the final product looks like.
So you said nano precision technology or something like that. All I heard was it's like an undo button. Right on the computer. I mean, I hit that Control-Z all the time. Now, what about the premium color change, this gold? You said this is a custom color that's been developed, involvement with Paint is Dead. Talk to me a little bit about this partnership and specifically this color.
Yeah, so we obviously came out with color change, and since Legacy uses all of our materials, they use our satin black, they use our SLX Plus, they use our laminates, but they were using another brand's gold on their car. So we introduced Legacy with Paint is Dead, and they created a custom color gold, and it's called Legacy Gold, just for them. And now everybody has access to be able to have what's on NASCAR's car on their cars.
So that's pretty cool. You can take what you see on the track, bring it home a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice looking color. It's very, very cool. Well, I think that is it. Is there anything else that you think we're missing that a potential buyer or somebody who is out there wrapping vehicles or maybe interested in having their own vehicle wrapped and is just doing some research on this stuff, is there anything you think they should know about either PCC or SLX Plus that would be easy to understand and valuable to know?
Well, a fun tip is if you buy SLX or Legacy Gold right now, you can scan the glove that comes in the box and you get your chance to win 2 pit passes to any NASCAR race this season. So that's a bonus to buy it. But I think that if you're a beginner or a new installer, SLX Plus or PCC, our color change is the best way to start, because it's the most easiest install in the market that I can take away from that. And I think that they will have less errors than using other products, and they'll actually enjoy wrapping instead of being extremely frustrated at the end of the job.
Well, and like you said a minute ago, and if you make the errors, you've got flight technology, so slide that thing around, pick it up, move it around.
Yep. Is the fact that I can snap it back up about 15 times and never leave any glue behind is an installer's dream, so yes.
Perfect. Well, you heard it from the lady herself. SLX Plus, premium color change. Arlon's just got a lot of cool stuff and cool people too. But if you're interested in buying Arlon, check it out on lexjet.com. You can find it. We sell it. We sell it all the time. And Michelle, thank you for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.